Blue's Clues. Blue's perfect present. Mail time! The mail's here! Mailbox sang out. Blue hopped up onto the thinking chair. Hi, Mailbox, she said. Is there any mail for me? There sure is, said Mailbox. There's a pink envelope addressed to you, Blue. I think it might be an invitation. Blue tore open the envelope. Tomorrow is Magenta's birthday. She's having a party and we're all invited, she said. I bet Magenta will be getting lots of birthday cards in the mail, Mailbox said. He gave a friendly wave with his flag and disappeared out the window. Blue showed the invitation to side table drawer. I want to give Magenta a perfect birthday present, she said. What do you think I should give her? I don't know, Blue, said side table drawer. I'm giving her a special notebook and some crayons, side table drawer continued. I love giving people things they can use. I like presents that I can use, said Blue. Good idea, side table. Outside, Blue found Shovel and Pail building a sandcastle. What are you going to give Magenta for her birthday? Blue asked them. We're giving her some toys for playing in the sand, said Pail. And a toy dinosaur, added Shovel. We think they'll make her smile, they exclaimed together. Blue laughed. I'd like to give Magenta something to make her smile, she said. Next door, Periwinkle was poking under some leaves. Hi, Periwinkle, Blue called. What are you doing? Hi, Blue, Periwinkle answered. I'm looking for sparkly rocks. Why? Asked Blue. They're for Magenta, said Periwinkle. I'm giving her a collection of sparkly rocks for her birthday. That's a great present, said Blue. Magenta loves sparkly stuff. Just then, Blue noticed something on the ground. Here's a nice one, she said. Perfect. Thanks, Blue, said Periwinkle. Blue thought for a moment. Maybe I can give Magenta something sparkly too, she said. In the kitchen, Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper were making cookies. Are you going to Magenta's birthday party tomorrow? Blue asked them. Oh, yes, said Mr. Salt. We will all have such a good time. Yes, said Blue. I just have to figure out what kind of present to get for her. Why don't you make a present for Magenta? Asked Mrs. Pepper. Magnifique, said Mr. Salt. Paprika loves it when we make special cookies for her birthday. That's a nice idea, said Blue. I'd like to make something for Magenta. I just have to decide what to make. Blue kept thinking, and soon it was time for bed. What do you think I should give Magenta for her birthday? Blue asked Slippery Soap as she brushed her teeth. Well, I really like toys I can play with in the bath, said Slippery. What does Magenta really like? She likes lots of things, but I want to give her something really special, said Blue. You'll think of something, Slippery assured her. Just keep thinking about what Magenta likes. What kind of present are you giving Magenta? Blue asked Tickety Tock as she climbed into bed. Tickety thought it over. I think I'll give Magenta a watch, she said. That way, she'll always remember it came from me. That's a really good idea, said Blue. I wonder what present would remind Magenta of me. Don't worry, Blue, said Tickety. You'll think of a perfect present. Good night. Blue lay in bed and thought about Magenta's present. I want the present to be useful and sparkly and something that makes Magenta smile, Blue whispered to herself. It should be something I can make myself and something that reminds her of me. And it should be something that's perfect just for her. Blue fell asleep and dreamed about all the things that made Magenta her special friend. The next morning, Blue woke to the sound of Tickety's bells. It's Magenta's birthday, she thought as she opened her eyes. Suddenly, Blue had a wonderful idea. I just figured out what to give to Magenta, she told Tickety Tock. I knew you would, Tickety said. At last, it was time for Magenta's party. Everyone played games, ate cake, and then gathered around Magenta's presents. Magenta opened each one excitedly. Purple Kangaroo gave her a little pink bag for carrying her books. Green Puppy gave her a set of alphabet blocks. Periwinkle gave her the collection of sparkly rocks. Finally, it was time for Blue's present. Magenta tore away the paper and pulled out a box. I decorated it myself, said Blue. That's a heart. Those are drawings of us, and it says Friends Forever. It's beautiful, Blue, said Magenta, smiling. She touched the soft cotton inside the box. And I can keep my glasses in it. Magenta took off her glasses and gently put them in the box. Now, whenever I put my glasses away, I'll think of you, she told Blue. The party was over and it was time to go home. Magenta hugged everyone goodbye. Thank you for my presents, she told her friends. I love them all. But Magenta gave Blue an extra special squeeze because Blue had made her such a perfect present. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram. See you next time.